Our winner on this stage, ladies and gentlemen. The finale showcase to crown the new winner will be on February 8th, 2014 at Santa Barbara's landmark, beautiful downtown Granada Theater. And I hope you all get your tickets to that show. It's one of the best in town. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started with our teen stars performing here on the stage. Are you guys ready? She's behind me. She is ready. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our finalist teen star of 2013 and is now a junior.
All right, make it close.
You're a sophomore. Oh, okay. She's a sophomore. I've given her elevated status, but she's only a sophomore at Walnut Hill. And besides all of this, you'll just find she's going to go on in the future, no surprise, in theater and performing arts. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm handing the mic over to Julieanna Bartling. Welcome, Julieanna.
Thank you. Hi, guys.
You're out. You win.
Happy 4th of July. Don't tell me not to live, just sitting butter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around the cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I've simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'll march my band out, up in my drum. And if I bend out, you'll turn out bad, sir. At least I didn't fake it hot, sir. I guess I didn't make it. And whether I'm a rose of sheer perfection, a freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the sin or the shining apple of its eye, I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once, right, sir? Oh, life is juicy, juicy, and you'll see I'm gonna have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march my heart's a drummer. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. I'm gonna live and live now, get to what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang, one throw, that bell will go clang. Eye on the target and wham, one shot, one gunshot and bam. Hey, Mr. Unseen, here I am. I'll march my band out, up in my drum. And if I bend out, you'll turn out bad, sir. At least I didn't fake it hot, sir. I guess I didn't make it. Get ready for me, love, 'cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march my to drum and nobody is gonna rain on my
Ladies and gentlemen, Julie.